Feel happy and confident in your body with this low-impact 15-minute routine. Side bends. Stand tall with your stance at hip-width apart. Let your hands rest on your thighs. From there, lift your right arm across your head and bend to the left side. Mirror the movement on the other side. Thoracic Rotations. Stand with your back facing the wall. Put your hands next to your body. Rotate your torso to the left and put your hands on the wall. Gently push your body away and rotate your torso to the other side. Alternate between sides. Standing Child's Pose. Stand a little further away from the wall while facing it. Put your hands on the wall at your eyes level. Push your hips backwards and let your chest drop towards the floor. Go up and repeat the movement again. Pendulum Hamstring Stretch. Take a wide stance against the wall. Cross your arms. Lean forward above your left leg and move all the way towards your right leg. Make sure your glutes are staying on the wall and your back is straight. Wall-supported lateral squats. Stand tall facing the wall. Put your hands on the wall. Make your stance wide and slightly turn your feet outwards. Squat and do a pulse squat on your right leg while keeping the left leg extended. Alternate between the legs. Wall-supported knee raise. Lean your upper back on the wall. Put your feet forward and keep them together. Make sure your arms and hands are also on the wall for additional support. From there, lift your left knee up. Alternate between knees. Wall angels. Stand tall with feet together. Make sure your arms are extended above your head while your upper back, forearms, wrists, and glutes are touching the wall. Lift your heels up and slide your elbows down to about 45-degree angle. Elevated glute bridge plus clamshell. Lay on the floor with your feet on the wall. Keep your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Put your feet a little bit higher than your knees. Lift your hips up and open your knees to the side. Slowly go down. Wall shoulder taps. Stand tall a step or two away from the wall while facing it. Put your hands on the wall at your chin level. Keep your feet together. Touch your right shoulder with your left hand. Alternate between sides. Reach through crunch. Lay flat on your back. Put your knees at 90 degrees angle on the wall. Extend your arms over your head and put your hands together. Contract your abdominals. Bring your hands between your knees. Standing side kick, right. Stand sideways of the wall. Put your left hand on the wall and put your right hand on your hip. Keep your feet together. Without bending your body, kick sideways with your right leg. Standing side kick, left. Stand sideways of the wall. Put your right hand on the wall and put your left hand on your hip. Keep your feet together. Without bending your body, kick sideways with your left leg. Kneeling windshield wipers. Lay on your back with your knees and feet together up on the wall. Keep your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Extend your arms to the side. From here, bring your knees towards the floor to your left side. Bring them up. Do the same thing on your right side. Single leg quad stretch, right. Stand tall facing the wall. Put your left hand on the wall. Bend your right leg and hold your right toes with your right hand. Gently pull your right leg up. Stand tall facing the wall. Put your right hand on the wall. Bend your left leg and hold your left toes with your left hand. Gently pull your left leg up. Wall-supported cat and cow. Lay on your stomach with your knees bent and your shins up on the wall. Prop yourself onto your elbows. From here, push your hips back to the wall. Bring them down and slowly bend your head backwards. Crisscross leg scissors. Lay on the floor. Straddle your legs up on the wall. Bring your glute muscles to the wall. From this position, close your legs together and straddle them again.